Hey, drivers! Imagine having a crystal clear record of every moment on the road without spending a fortune. Intrigued? In the next few minutes, we're revealing the best 5-star dash cam on Amazon that's taking the market by storm. Stay tuned. You won't believe what this little gadget can do. If you're looking for the best cheap dash cam with 5 stars on Amazon, you've got to check out the Rove R2-4K dash cam. This little gadget is a game changer for your car. First off, it records in stunning 4K Ultra HD, giving you crystal clear footage day or night. Imagine capturing every detail of your drive with clarity that's off the chart. Plus, it comes with built-in GPS, so you can track your route and speed with pinpoint accuracy. And it doesn't stop there. The Rove R2-4K has superior night vision technology. Whether you're driving through the city lights or down a dark country road, this dash cam has got you covered. It even has a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, so you won't miss a thing on the side. Worried about storage? The Rove R2-4K supports up to a whopping 512 gigabytes micro SD card, ensuring you have all the space you need. And with loop recording, you'll never have to manually delete old footage. It's all automatic. It's super easy to install and use, and with its sleek design, it fits perfectly in any car. Plus, you can instantly share your videos via the Rove app on your smartphone. Are you looking for the best budget dash cam with stellar reviews? Look no further, because the Preveo dash cam is here to blow your mind. With a whopping 5-star rating on Amazon, this little device packs a punch. The Preveo dash cam offers 4-channel recording with full HD 1080p resolution on all 4 cameras. That's right, you get crystal clear footage from the front, rear, and even both sides of your vehicle. Perfect for capturing every angle and ensuring your safety on the road. Worried about storage? This baby supports up to 128 gigabytes, so you'll never miss a moment. Plus, it's got loop recording, motion detection, and even a G-sensor that locks in footage during sudden impacts. Installation is a breeze, and the sleek design means it won't clutter up your dashboard. But wait! There's more! The Preveo dash cam comes with night vision, ensuring you get clear footage even in low light conditions. And with its user-friendly interface, you'll have it up and running in no time. So, if you're on the hunt for a reliable, affordable, and feature-packed dash cam, the Preveo dash cam is your perfect ride companion. Are you ready to capture every drive in stunning detail? Meet the Rediger 4K dash cam, the top-rated budget-friendly option on Amazon. This incredible device records in breathtaking 4K UHD, ensuring you never miss a moment. With its ultra-wide 170-degree lens, you get a panoramic view of the road, capturing every scenic drive and unexpected event. The Rediger dash cam isn't just about amazing video quality. It's packed with features like a super clear night vision mode, making late-night drives safer and stress-free. Worried about parking mishaps? This cam has got you covered with its advanced parking monitor. It even has a G-sensor to automatically lock and save footage of any sudden impacts. Easy to install and use, this dash cam comes with a 3-inch display screen, making it a breeze to play back your recordings on the go. So why wait? Upgrade your driving experience with the Rediger 4K dash cam and enjoy peace of mind every time you hit the road. Looking for the best dash cam to keep you safe on the road without breaking the bank? Look no further! Introducing the KingSlim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam. Imagine capturing every drive in stunning 4K UHD with the front camera and crisp 1080p with the rear camera. You'll never miss a moment with its wide dynamic range, providing clear footage even in low light conditions. Perfect for night drives! With its easy-to-use touchscreen, navigating through settings is a breeze. And thanks to the G-sensor, the D4 automatically records and locks crucial footage in case of an accident. Plus, the parking mode keeps an eye on your car 24/7. Don't just take our word for it. This dash cam has thousands of 5-star reviews on Amazon. It's reliable, affordable, and packed with features that keep you and your loved ones safe. So why wait? Upgrade your driving experience with the KingSlim D4 today. We're exploring the incredible Maypop dash cam, the best affordable dash cam on Amazon with a perfect 5-star rating. This dash cam records every drive in stunning 1080p HD, capturing all the details with its wide 170 degrees lens. It's perfect for both day and night driving, thanks to its advanced night vision. In case of an accident, the built-in G-sensor automatically locks the footage, ensuring it's safely stored. Worried about memory? With loop recording, the oldest files are automatically overwritten, so you never run out of space. Plus, the 24/7 parking mode keeps an eye on your car even when you're not around. Installation is a breeze, and the user-friendly interface makes it a joy to use. Get the Maypop Dashcam today, ready to capture every moment of your drive with top-notch clarity? Meet the Nidiso N300 Dashcam. This little powerhouse has taken Amazon by storm with its unbeatable 5-star rating, and it's easy to see why. First up, dual-channel recording. That means you get crystal clear footage from both inside and outside your vehicle, perfect for those scenic drives and keeping an eye on passengers. But wait! There's more! The Nidiso N300 features a stunning 2.5K resolution, ensuring every detail is sharp and clear. Day or night, this dashcam's got your back with superior low-light performance. Worried about parking lot mishaps? No problem! The N300 has built-in parking mode to catch every bump and scrape even when you're away. Plus, with its compact design and easy installation, you'll be up and running in no time. Looking for the best dashcam without breaking the bank? Meet the Jamas 4K Dashcam, designed to capture every moment with stunning clarity. Featuring ultra-high definition 4K resolution, it ensures crisp, detailed footage whether you're driving during the day or at night. What sets it apart? Built-in GPS tracks your precise location and speed, providing invaluable data for your journeys. Worried about parking incidents? The integrated parking monitor activates upon impact, safeguarding your vehicle even when you're not around. Easy to install and operate, the Jamas 4K Dashcam blends seamlessly into your car's interior. Compact yet powerful, it offers reliability and peace of mind on every trip. Don't compromise on safety. Upgrade to the Jamas 4K Dashcam today and experience the difference. Looking for a top-rated dashcam that won't break the bank? Introducing the Vantrue S1 Pro, the ultimate choice for safety and reliability on the road. Featuring cutting-edge Sony Starvis sensor technology, the Vantrue S1 Pro captures crystal clear video day or night. Whether you're driving through bright daylight or navigating dimly lit streets, this dashcam ensures every detail is recorded with precision. Worried about parking? Fear not! With its advanced parking mode, the Vantrue S1 Pro automatically detects and records any sudden movements or impact, providing you with peace of mind wherever you park. But that's not all! Equipped with a built-in GPS, the Vantrue S1 Pro tracks your vehicle's location and speed, perfect for documenting your road trips or providing evidence in case of an accident. Compact yet powerful, the Vantrue S1 Pro blends seamlessly into your car's interior while delivering high-definition video at 2.5K resolution. It's your silent witness on the road, ready to capture every moment. Don't settle for less when it comes to your safety.